Welcome to 9770 Southwest 15th Drive in Davie. This is a magnificent 4-bedroom, 3 full bath with a den that can easily be converted to an in-laws quarters. Let's walk in the double doors for a nice grand entrance. All right. We've got here your formal living room with sliding glass doors opening out to the patio and to the pool. As we pan around, you have a formal dining room, lots of space for entertaining. Split floor plan with the master bedroom on this side of the house. You have plantation shutters throughout the home on the windows. Vaulted ceilings. Lots of space. You have his and hers walk-in closets. Updated bathroom with jacuzzi tub. Separate walk-in shower. Dual vanities. Indoor laundry room. Brand new AC, 2025, Carrier. Digital thermostat, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, real wood cabinets. Kitchen. This is your family room. Nice size, fits the whole family. Now, this side here, you've got 2 more bedrooms. Small walk-in closet. Full second bath. 3rd full bedroom. And as we walk to the back of the house, through this door, which is your separate wing, you have a 3rd full bathroom, cabana bath that leads out to the pool area. That is your den or office. And this is the 4th bedroom, nice sized bedroom with 2 sets of walk-in closets. Again, lots of natural light. Right now they're using it as a full office. Nice sized room though, again, plantation shutters, lots of natural light. All right, let's take a walk out to the pool. Nice covered patio with fan, TV, double doors, and brand new refinished pool, just finished this month. New Diamond Bright, waterfall. Patio, enjoyable. Roof is from 2018. Brand new pool pump. Come see this awesome 4-bedroom, 3-bath Davie home.